up a Pikachu V box and a Sun and Moon pin collection. And it comes with the Mega Tyranitar pin. Alright guys, we're going to get in the pack opening. Here it comes with Pikachu V, the promo card, and the jumbo card. Alright, now into the first pack. There's the card trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what we get. Fire Energy, a Team Yell Towel, a Luxio, a Floatzel, a Snom, a Grookey, a Spinarak, a Shinx, a Horsey, a Reverse Hollow Boss's Orders, and a Dupsai. Now we're going to do the next Shining Fates pack. There's that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting Energy, Rusted Sword, Rotom, Eldegoss, Coughing, Shinx, Grookey, Trapinch, Yama. Guys, I cannot believe we pulled this Charizard VMAX. That's crazy. Okay, well after that, on to the next pack. Four to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dark Energy, Ball Guy, Tropius, Cramorant, Cufant, Gossifleur, Snom, Coughing, Cacnea, and a Reverse Cacnea, and a Professor's Research. Now onto the last pack of Shining Fates. Now 4 to the front again. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You messed it up. Just put that on the front.
4. Rusted Sword, Energy, or Steel Energy, Thwackey, Rotom, Blitzel, Shinx, Coughing, Trapinch, Rowlet, Reverse Boss's Orders, and a Manaphy. Alright guys, that's all for today. I still can't believe we pulled the Charizard VMAX. I think that's the best pull we've got in a while. Well, that's all for today. Bye.